Good schools in Chennai. Babaji Vidhyashram School, Sholinganallur, Chennai. Experiential learning. We do, we reflect, we learn. Although a lecture is a useful tool for delivering course material, experiential learning enhances learning by including the student in the learning process. The experiential learning method is described as learning by reflecting on doing. Own initiative, a learning goal, and an active learning phase are prerequisites for experiential learning. Experimental learning can cause the student to change her perceptions, emotions, or cognitive abilities.